Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert Cycle SmartArt in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to insert Cycle SmartArt. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and choose the blank slide option. Then go to the insert menu and select the SmartArt option. Then we can see here open a window, and here many smart art like list, process, cycle, hierarchy or the relationship or matrix, etc. Now I am select the cycle, and we can see here many cycle smart art. You can add any. Now I am select the radial cycle and click OK. Now we can see we added a cycle smart art very easily. You can change the color or added any style. Go to the smart art design menu, select the change color option and choose any color. You can add any style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.